video. Today we're playing
What's up,
Rainbow
guys?
Yeah.
We're recording at the same time once more.
Yes, that's very true.
And we are playing a game called The Rainbow.
Of friends. Yes.
No, that's actually true. I just want to
Yeah.
have fun.
Yeah, I just want to have fun as well.
Everybody in the server, shout out to Gigi2035A.
And if no one's seen my description of my last video, shout out
Also,
to
Hemu. Oh, there she is. She's getting dragged.
Bye. We never want to see you
Also,
again.
your boy 2939.
But she's sitting on the floor. Why is she sitting on the floor? You never see people just sitting on the floor there.
Yeah, please.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it all again. Let's do it. Let's do it.
My blood server. All you have to do is find them and put
Put
them
him on
back.
on my little
Yeah,
table.
You look like Piggy with shorter ears.
But it ain't Piggy.
Mm.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it all again. Time to get some blocks, boys. Block boys. Block boys. Block boys. Yeah, on the route I went last time. Hi.
Oh, I can hear him.
2 blocks. Thank you for my blocks. Okay, people are running.
Man, I'm dead.
People are running back from here. Is Blue there?
Probably not.
I'm gonna box him. Okay, yeah, Blue's not there. I seriously do not care. I'm just waiting until I get a lot of blocks, to be honest. Rolling around, farting around, let this be the sound.
Copyright claim.
How do I get a copyright claim? I sung in your last video, the Twin Frontier song, and you didn't get copyright claim.
Now I'm probably going to get copyright claim.
Rebecca probably don't watch our low quality videos, to be honest.
I mean, like half does.
Yeah, half dozen.
Oh, shoot.
Where are you?
I'm where I am.
Really good job. Didn't know that. I'm
Robotic Ben Bum. Who named their son?
Robotic Ben Bum.
No, I'm friending him.
Yes, friend him. Hi, my name is Robotic Ben Bum.
Friend me in Roblox. My name's Robotic Ben
Ben Bum.
Okay, how many blocks do you have? 2? Wait, and those are the ones we need. We only need 2 more.
No, we don't.
Oh.
No, my block. 21.
Okay. Let's.
If you haven't seen part 1, part 2, and part 3 of Find the Chaos, or going into the chaos, or whatever the hell I was
We
called,
haven't
done
even done a part 3.
I did.
Oh. I've only done a part 1.
You didn't do a part 2?
No.
You have a lot of story.
Ooh. You
But-
only slowed me down. That's
Robotic
stupid.
Ben Bum. Hi guys, my name's Robotic Ben Bum, and today I want to show you my robotic bum.
Not what? I can't find any more blocks.
And guys, guess what? I'm Mars Morales playing Rainbow Friends, and I have a blue box because I'm blue. Blue. Bro, what's your jib, bro? What's your jib?
Bro, we only need 2 more blocks.
And so do I, to finish my puzzle.
Okay, we need to find the blue things. Oh no, I'm scared. Yes, we need one more.
Oh yeah.
Ew.
Robotic bam bum. Robotic bam bum.
Robotic bang bum.
Mars is just sitting here. How close is he to you? Where are you? Yo! Oh, why are you me? I was right at that entrance. Robotic bam bum. He didn't even realize I was standing up for like 5. Yes, we found the last block. Let's go. You can come out of your
The
room.
reason why this is probably staticky because the layout on my iPad is the side, so you probably won't be able to hear that. Oh shoot! I can hear him.
Where is he? Where are you?
I'm in the castle place.
Is that near the theater?
Yeah,
I
the
forgot.
theater.
Oh, no.
I think he's close to me.
Hang on, I think I actually.
Did you not see me? Oh
Robotic bam bum saved your life. I think we're gonna get demonetized for that. Well, we didn't even have monetization in the first place. Okay, now we're gonna get copyright.
no! Yeah. Let's pause.
That's not even the song. I'm a veteran. I've got my dub.
I got my first veteran.
You're not a veteran. You're your mom.
Okay.
Now you're just a buddy that I used to know. You didn't have to cut me off. Who's
Now I have to
that?
delete that part from the video.
No, Jordan. You said yes literally before this video.
I think that I was making that up. I don't even know why we didn't get copyright claim.
Exactly. We should probably be fine because we're basically like those. We're very little kids.
Yeah.
We're 2 years old creating.
Tell us how we get copyright claim so we can get struck by YouTube.
Actually, I have got copyright claim once.
Why?
I don't know, to be honest.
I mean, you can get copyright claim from anything though.
Now you're just somebody that I used to know. I didn't have to get.
No, I actually don't want to get copyright claim making.
They probably won't give it to us because we're very little.
No! Bluefus saw me. Bluefus?
Bluefus? Ooh, I like Bluefus.
How did he not see me?
Because he's blind.
Well, how's he blind?
I have 4 out of what?
He just walked on top of me.
You want to know how many food packets I have?
I have 2.
I have 4.
This girl stole from me.
How many did she steal from you?
1.
Wow!
Oh, I can hear green.
Bro, I actually got a lot of packets. He just killed you.
No, he didn't. It was a girl.
Yeah, I saw that. I actually saw that. He killed someone right in front of you. Okay, I want to see, do I have it?
Where is he?
Ew.
He's going inside of the theater.
Ew, dude. I'm not in there.
I know where food packets are.
Nice.
No,
I have
no.
4 of them. And I'm not returning them yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the lot. I want them
It
to be
looks
the
so
last.
weird seeing Blue climb up a ladder.
I want them to be the last the 4 left in the world.
That's a weird thing.
Is anyone in the theater? I'm gonna be
I see you, Lakin.
Oh hi! I didn't. Hi, I'm Box. What's your name?
I'm Boxy Boo.
Oh, the. This is my 5th packet. Yes, mine are gonna be the last 5 left.
Okay, now we should probably go back to the theater.
Well, I'm not checking mine in just yet.
Oh, Lakin, is right here.
Nice. I'm a Box. You can't see me. I'm just gonna be chilling over here in this corner.
You gotta get the food.
I do have my food.
Yeah, and you gotta put it in the machine.
I'm checking them. They're gonna be the last 5 left. Waiting for everyone else to check theirs in, and then once everyone checked theirs
Oh,
in.
you can hide here.
Oh, that's very cool. Where are you?
I meant the farm.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know you could hide in here. Oh, that's actually cool.
Yo, I see you. That's it. Where
You
is
don't have to stay in the box.
Where did he? Wait, Graham probably can use his arms, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm chilling in here. Watching now. Bro, imagine you can just see a food. You can see a food packet out there. How do they not know that we're in? Look, can you see me? Go up there. Can
Yeah,
you
I
see?
see you.
You can see my arm, bro.
Yeah, I can see your face. Look,
Bro,
even you, boy.
oh my god, there's a box right in front of my
Boy.
fucking face. Oh my
You're
god.
9.
Shout out to your boy
How many do you
119.
have?
5.
Okay, put them in the machine.
No, I'm checking them in last.
Ooh, when they have 10, we gotta put them in.
Yep, so they need 3 more.
Yeah.
Unless I find more.
Where the heck is it?
Where the heck are those last couple of ones? I'm not checking mine in.
They could be anywhere.
If there's 6, I'm checking mine. 6. Probably not though, to be honest.
Oh,
Wait, where's that at?
I'm at the castle room.
Oh, still? I'm just looking around.
Oh,
There's one area I didn't check.
where?
At least stable area.
Oh, I found food.
Nice. Chuck it in, boy.